Hi friends, this is a pen and this is also a pen. When I drop them, what happened? They fell to the ground. Newton was the first scientist who thought it differently. Well, I'm not here today to talk about Newton. I'm here to teach you what is rectilinear motion. Friends, basically rectilinear rectilinear motion is something when a particle is restricted to move in only one line. Line you know now. It may be in x direction, y direction, or z direction, or any of that direction. That does not matter. Just it should move in only one line. Suppose this is a line, direction is line, and this is a line. Particle could move in this direction, a particle can move in this direction. And it can move in this direction, or it can move in this direction, or in this direction. That does not matter. But what matters is that it should move in only one direction, that is straight line. Now, particle can go like this and come back like this, or keep on going upwards and downwards anywhere. That is not the point. The point is how it moves. When a particle is released in the presence of gravity, it falls down if no force is acting on it, like this. So, I think you got what the rectilinear motion is. Now, question arises: what are the different types a particle can move in a straight line? First thing you should understand is that there is not a fixed number of types a particle can move. Particle may have its own consciousness and it may move like anything, but it should move in a straight line. That is the definition of rectilinear motion. And you may have heard about velocity, acceleration, and distance. Let me clarify that for you. Distance is something is the length of a particle's positions at two different times. This is what called distance. And what is displacement? Displacement is like a superset of distance. It is what it is. It is a it also has direction as well as magnitude. Suppose I go from here to upward of 5 meter like a superhero. Magnitude is 5 meter. So distance is 5 meter and magnitude of displacement is also 5 meter. But the direction is upward. That should be included when writing displacement. हाँ हाँ दीदी। वीडियो बना रहे हैं। Sorry for the interruption. I was saying that about rectilinear motion. Now, I have told you the difference between distance and displacement. Now, another question is velocity and speed. Just like displacement and distance, velocity and speed are similar but not exactly same. Direction is the parameter that differentiate those two, and same for and acceleration and magnitude of acceleration. Now, let me open your mind. I mean, ask a question that will make you think harder. Suppose this is a copy. Now, if you release it, where will it go? It will go downwards. And can you calculate how much time will it take to reach the ground? Yes, you can calculate. Of course, you can calculate. Suppose I drop it. It took 1 second. Now I again drop it from another height and it took 2 seconds. And now I again dropped it and it took 3 seconds. If we know the distance and if you know the time, you can draw the distance time graph. Now we know that for this startup distance, gravitational force does not change. That means acceleration will be constant. If acceleration is constant, then the derivation of displacement and also that derivation of that displacement, that is derivation of velocity, will be equal to acceleration. But I don't want to complicate things. I just want to say you that it is possible to calculate the data using speed time graph or displacement time graph. How to calculate this is very easy, but you must understand how does objects works. How does gravity pulls the object? Suppose if you drop a particle from 5 meters, how many seconds it will take? You can test it. It should take about 1 second, or you can say taking 9.81 gravity into consideration, it should take exactly 1 second. Now, if you drop it from 10 meter, how much time will it take? You can calculate it. There comes the existence of formulas like V is equal to U plus AT, V square is equal to U square plus 2AS, and S बराबर UT plus half, S equals to UT plus half AT square, and one more thing, V plus U by T is equal to S. These are the four formulas used in this rectilinear motion to solve problems. Remember, this is a very easy topic. Time is running.